Welcome. If you've been using Gmail for a while, you might have noticed those handy suggestions popping up as you type an email. That's Smart Compose, a feature designed to speed up your writing by predicting what you want to say next. But sometimes, it can feel more distracting than helpful. If you want to turn off Smart Compose and take full control of your email drafts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to disable Smart Compose on the Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Once it's open, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that to open the side menu. Next, scroll down through the menu until you find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open your Gmail settings. If you have multiple email accounts linked to your app, you'll see a list of them here. Tap on the email account where you want to disable Smart Compose. Now, scroll down within your account settings until you see the Smart Compose option. This is usually located somewhere in the middle of the settings list. When you find it, you'll notice a checkbox next to it. To disable Smart Compose, simply uncheck the box. Once you do that, Gmail will stop suggesting words and phrases as you type your emails. It's that simple. Disabling Smart Compose can help you focus on writing your emails exactly how you want, without any automatic suggestions getting in the way. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow these same steps and check the box again. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Smart Compose on your Gmail app. Now you can enjoy a more personalized email experience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.